By the time Sharika reach the hospital, Sharika dead.
Innocent, Sharika, mommy.
Okay, you see where party give?
You kill my sister. Who you? You kill my sister, you gonna pay for this. Dog you. Yeah, I'm virgin, you know. But you want to get to see your face, you know. So you have to go dead too. Hey, girl, I dirt me for dirty. Dirt what? You have gun for you? No, me not have gun for me.
Alright, me have gun, man. Don't worry yourself. Alright, shut up!
If I dirt, let me tell you that. Because I know me not to be here from my pitney yet.
Yeah, public report, yeah, Richard Brownfield, yeah, Shabby Wood Production, Paradise Nation, oh yeah, you don't understand my situation, you weren't there to hold my hand, you could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution. But tell me, who can I trust? Yes, there could have been a better solution, but my eyes was fully back. Good girl, go 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 back. Whoa. Good girl, go back. 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 Whoa.
Yeah. Yes, Jack. I get you a real fool, you know. I get you a real fool. What you feel like? Jerome,
Candy,
if you ever know what happened to me, my youth,
what you say to me?
and the girl Jessie, the same girl when I tell her forget. The girl shoot off on me one time, you know, in on my side. Right now, my side not even better good yet. But because she do that,
How unfortunate.
yeah, because she do that, me gear up, cause me I look out for anything, at any time, any point. But the first time, me never expect it. No, my youth, a serious thing going on now. The girl shot me the first time and come back and shot me another time again. Yo, once bitten, twice shy. A 2 time the girl shot me, you know that mean the girl want get rid of me. Right now, me Ben Star. Anything or anything. Me need her location. A straight dirt, me say my youth. What?
Yeah, man, make him always give you our location. Because you don't know his business as usual. How much you say?
Money? All money part I go and that you say my youth. Yo, don't even go there. Any amount of money you charge me right now, I'm ready to send it to your account. Straight. 5 mil, simple money that. Me I give you 6 mil. The way I want you to get the location for me right now. Because I need to go check out that girl there. Dirt next to straight. That girl there to get dirt. Where you say? Remember say that the girl there, you know, man. Just see me a chat. We go on like I said she has some bad girl, you know. And she shoot my son, you know. And shut off for my friend. Don't make money be an issue. Me want her location right now. If you have to go call Bill Clinton, George Bush, or even Usain Bolt, you need to get on the case because that the girl if you get dirt. Remember, you know. As she get rid of my son, you know. Me no have no more son, and the one son me did have. And as she get rid of my son, she shoot off of my best friend. My youth, me Ben. Anything or anything. As me say, money is not an issue. Anything you charge me right now, me ready send your account number to my phone right now. Me need her location. That girl if you get dirt. Yeah, man. You know, so when you come on to deal, you know, deal and me a filmy thing that, you know, deal is deal. You understand? So when I say I go do this thing,
So I send the location right now. Or you know, so we have satellite. And we have to sweeten the pot for you a little bit. Alright? You're gonna have 2 brothers in a yellow shirt. I go wait on the boat and make sure the boat no leave. Alright? I go also make him direct her right which part. You are go wait and meet her. So she have to pass which part. You park up. Alright? Yeah, man. So make sure you send to my account now. I know say a deal is not a deal without a deal.
because this girl I do this thing over and over and I go on like she has some secret hitman. Yeah. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show she too. Who better than who? I hit that. Call me back. I mean, I know Lele and no Rare, you know, but I lay out the thing in my youth. I need a call from you. No longer than 2 hour time. And money talk and bullshit talk, and that me say straight.
Call me anytime, man. Because you don't know it's business as usual.
Now I left a message, you know.
Yeah, man.
I Jerome have some
Some man.
information to give the iron of doctor.
Yeah, man.
So Jerome forward, you know?
Forward.
Oh, Jerome.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yes, doctor, Jerome.
All right.
Take your time.
Hey.
Come in, man. I'll take your time. Yeah, man. Come in. Take your time. Right, let's go.
Come on, and get from me.
Which part you saying there?
Oh, now the building of the doctor. Forward and catch up.
All right.
Yes, princess, come in. Around the same day now, we have a building there, sir.
Run this one?
Yes, the building there, the same way.
All right. Thanks. Are you here?
Let's take it.
Oi, yo, don't move. Come here. Go in the vehicle. Go in there, so girl. What you feel like? If you think you're bad, touch the door. You.
You can't dead. How you so hard for dead man?
The dead is alive and the dead arrive. You know
When
what?
you just kill me and done.
Shut up. You know how long me I look for you? You feel say that get way? Lie you the tell.
Tired of this.
Don't worry yourself. When I your time, it's your time. Don't move and shut your mouth.
Not even know me pick the day. So if you me right now, nothing at all no fears me. So if you kill me, if you torture me, you torture.
Shut up! Me no want to hear no talking from you. Right it. Don't move. If you move a muscle. Okay, my phone a ring. Don't move. careful, you know. Be careful of what you're doing, you know. Alright. Yes. No man, you don't talk about this man right now. Fuck me and talk about right now. You want to be not one talk to you, you know. Yes. You don't deal with something. Yeah man, start out things in your mind. Yourself. You have to complete the mission you're doing now. Yeah man. Yo, Jerome. Me want you get a hitman for me, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, I no play thing this, you know. Me no dey for no joking thing right now, you know, my youth. Remember, say me money me a spend. Me need a hitman. And when me say hitman, me need a real Dan Gargan hitman. What me say? Straight, right there, so. I hit that.
Jerome. Yeah, Jerome. Yeah, man. A long time I wait on a call, you know. Cause a long time I left the army and need a job desperately. So what you say? Yeah, man. Alright. Hello. You name Candy?
Yeah, man.
So, Jerome.
Yeah, man, Jerome. Virgin, you know? Are you think sent to me?
Yeah, man.
So you say no work?
Can't get it.
Yeah, really, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir. Never work for you, you know. And you look like a real hitman. You look like you can deal with the work. The way how me want if you deal with, you look like the right person. So here you know. You see that girl there? Look on her good. And this a girl I want you find. This a job I want to get done. And when me say dirt, I mean dirt. You understand? How much you charge?
500,000.
Don't worry yourself, you know. Nobody worry about no money. Any money you tell me.
500.
You say 500,000 US, right? Me think you just say 1 million US. Money is not an issue. Just send me your account right now. Me send it straight to your phone. You understand? Deal or no deal, because me can give you half of the money now. When you're done the work, me give you the rest.
Alright. I'm not stressed here, you know. Here what I go on. Just give me half of my money. Just a little deposit, and when we finish the work, give me the rest.
Just give me your account number. Alright. Don't say 40. Everything good, man. Me give you a call.
Yeah, where you say location?
Yeah, man, where you say? You want the coordinates them?
Alright, send me the exact location.
Alright, no problem. I'll send them to you right now. So guess what you do? Make sure you start that job because that job will have enough money on it. You understand? Yeah. So when you deal with it, you call me right now. Alright?
Right now. Don't move!
Please, don't kill me, sir. Please, please. Please, you're gonna kill me.
Stop.
Me swear not. Please, me not do nothing at all. I just see me as a...
Silent! Mr. Silent! What me not understand? You look a pretty girl like you. Want me to you?
Me not know. Me not know, sir. Please, spare me life. Me have 3 Whitney. 3 Whitney me have.
Calm down. What really happened? Why they want to kill her? You need to tell me what really happened. What happened?
Me kill my son and true. We are twin. Them things say me and them a chase me all over. No matter me explain. Them a chase me all over. Please spare me life. Please spare me life. Put on the gun, no, sir. Me afraid of this and this, sir. I can't
Alright.
fight it.
Let's calm down. I put on your gun. Easy, alright. Calm down. Me don't understand though. Hello.
Yes.
The spirit kind of take you still and you look innocent. So you can't stay here so you know, I carry someone with your safe, but they can protect you.
Thanks, sir. Thanks very much. Me hungry and me not eat all long, so me kind of weak. You can't help me out.
Alright.
Help me
But
out.
easy. You tell us something about it out there. That's easy.
Me not feel so good. When you come to do your job, you do your job. Just not your own. Come here. I can get a call, please. I don't do nothing with him, man. Jerome. 1 minute. I'm not going to read your phone. Jerome.
Hello, who's this? Unknown call.
I saw you repay me after everything.
Amanda, aka Jesse. How are you?
Oh, money are the in thing. No loyalty. So everything I just about money.
Amanda, far where I come from. But we couldn't get this far without money. Just understand now. Business is business as usual. Yeah. What? What bother with that, man? Just stay alive so we can get some more business out of you. Alright?
So friendship may mean nothing at all to you. I say a word, man. You will get where you come for you. I don't know chatting, so you know my style that. Alright, you win, Jerome, you win. Yeah, man. Thanks, you hear?
Amanda, yeah, just check up on me. What I'm to you, man? You make things look a waste, star. You miss me? What you say? Just for your last time? What you mean your last time?
Jesse. Jesse. You can run, but you can't hide. You know how long I want to hold in my hand reach, girl? Yo. You see that? I feel my friend. Seeing? And you know this I feel what? That I feel Donovan. Last but not least. Idiot girl Jesse where you walk around and I take people's life. How you feel like? Who you think you is? This is for my son. Alright guys, this is Candy Empress in the place right now. Hear me now. Please, I'm begging you guys to go over to Public Report official channel and subscribe, like and share and leave a comment. Remember, Jammy Hood, okay, channel, Richard Brown Flames channel. Go over to those channels, like, subscribe and share and leave a comment. Always tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a family to tell another family. This is Candy Empress from Richard Brown Films. Sending out love straight from yard to broad. You understand? Go over to Candy Empress channel and remember to subscribe. Leave a comment, like and share. Me have something for you, you know. A long time I not put out nothing for my channel, but me have something in store for you, man. Bless up on yourself. I know some done love you already. So here I know. Public Report channel. Please, I'm begging you to go over to that channel and subscribe. Don't forget. Remember to tell your friends, family, everybody. I could have even the goat and the dog and the cow and the sheep. They make them go subscribe to that channel. Because guess what? We need to help each one. Each one help one, each one teach one. This is a team coming from Richard Brown Films, sending love straight from yard to broad. I am out.
Action.
So yes, guys, thank you for watching. You get part 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't think I want any more after this, but we have epic content still coming out soon. First and foremost, I want to big up God made this possible. So big up yourself, Father God, and public reports. I'm glad for you highlight you give me same way alongside Jamie with Richard Brown Film. It's been amazing working with all of you guys. What else may I go say? Yeah. Ready?
Alright. Yes, I think I big up the time.
Me say, yeah, me say.
Alright.
Alright.
She now big up
Yeah, me tell him already and he still want more.
More. Say it again.
So, yes, guys, big up public report. Continue to watch. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. And also remember to turn on. Ready?
No, I'm ready, man. We're not stopping. This is live uncut. This is a record uncut. You know what I mean?
Please remember to turn on your post notification bell. And also, guys, I have a YouTube channel, Belly and Bang. We are getting there. We are uploading a little bit of
Belly and
Bang.
Spell it for them.
BELLY. And the hand will look like
Yeah,
it.
I think
And Bang, BANG. So, we are going to run go over there. And we see them like, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And thank you for the support and love always.
Yeah, man, she's done a wonderful job. Pick up yourself. Action.
I don't know if I see the face, you know, say one soldier from Richard Brown Film and Jamie Hood officially, you know, presenting for public report. I don't know, one love. You know, make sure you want to comment, share up the thing. You know, if you want to see more, see my latest upload from public report. Subscribe, don't forget, you know. Yeah, man. Them inspire me, you know. You know, Richard Brown and Jamie with Fire and Richard, the whole team, I don't know, them inspire me. And, you know, them, right now, what them do for me right now, I can't find no words to explain right now. Right now, and what them do for my country and my community right now, them just doing a great, past great. You see me, a job for Jamaica and the youth them same way. Because I don't see nobody do it, you know. I don't see nobody do it right now. And them a put me out there right now. So me really glad to be a part of Richard Brown Film, Jamie Hood, public report, and others same way. I just one team and one family, don't know. Yeah, man, right, that's why I hate that. And one love to the world, you know. I hate that.
Tell them to check you out, man. Check out one.
Oh,
man.
yeah.
Tell them right
yeah,
now.
man, and my channel is Soldier and Liz, you know, go and check it out. You know, we do some little short film. I don't know, we don't do movie, just vlog and some little short film, you know. Something you can watch and learn from same way. You see, official thing, Richard Brown Film and Jamie Hood, right, that's what it is there, you see, and public report. You see me? Check out Candy same way, Candy have a channel same way and Popeye same way. You forgot somebody, Alton, check out Paradise Nation, Alton Garden, you know. Check out all of them channels, you don't know. Thanks to your love and support, you see. Yeah man, I like that.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Public Report official. You know you go. Public, brother, you know you go. Big up yourself. And you know, say, yo, why moving him again? Good Girl Gone Bad. And you know, say, from the Good Girl Gone Bad, that's bad, you know? That's very bad. But big up yourself, Public Report. And for those, what, four of them? 4 episodes of Good Girls Gone Bad. Big up to everyone that has been supporting, all the cast members, everyone that's play a part in each of these movies. Also, big up to the Richard Brown Films family, the Jamie Hood, the Paradise Nation, the Public Report official, the Candy, the everybody, Popeye, Tiffy. Is me? Big up on yourself. Just want to say enough love goes out. You know, Kira, Amanda, big up the whole family. We're a family here in Jamie Hood City. Big up the Paradise Nation Originals. And look out for the man from Portland. New movie coming soon. Big up. No you go. I want to sleep.
Yeah, man. Oh my God. What can I say? You know what I mean? Good Girl Gone Bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. it's been emotional, you know what I mean, and excited at the same time because the support that I've been getting, whether locally or internationally, whether I'm walking on the street at Kingston, I'm gonna say, yo, General, make sure you see a job part 3, part 4. You know what I mean? So I have to do it for you. You know what I mean? And you know, it's a pleasure working with Amanda, pleasure working with Alton, pleasure working with Candy. You know what I mean? And you know, the crew was amazing. You know what I mean? Richard Brown Films did it again. And yes, this idea stemmed from Richard. You know what I mean? And he gave me the idea. I'll just manifest it and make it into what we want to do it. Because you know, at the end of the day, you know, we're creating content and we are creators of content and we love what we do and we do it from the heart, come straight out. You know what I mean? Big up Tiffy, big up everybody. Candy, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Amanda, big up yourself. You know, Alton, big up yourself, you know. I don't want to call me Cheryl. Come here, try remember everybody, but me I forget at the same time. But thanks to all the fans that have been supporting me, whether by a comment, whether by a like, whether by a share, you know what I mean? Public Report has grown to 13,000 subscribers, you know what I mean, in a very rapid pace because of you. And I have to say thank you, you know what I mean? When we reach 20, I have to do something, you know what I mean, to give back. So, make we go on and go on and go on. I was going to do it at 10, but I said, make we reach 20, I will do it. You know what I mean? So, guess what? Thanks for being a part of my family. Yes, you are a part of my family now. This is a journey that we have encountered in. And we're going to continue and move forward. We'll get with camera very soon because we are working on it thanks to you. You know what I mean? And we're just going to do it straight from the heart. We are connected with the people. Candy, wait there. Come in, Candy. So, at the end of the day, it's always a pleasure. You know what I mean? It's a pleasure from all of us. You know what I mean? So, big up yourself. Candy, tell them bye-bye. Tell them little more. Tell them say good girl gone bad. You know what I mean? We're going to end it right here, so. Yeah, so some of them want to hear us a part 5. You hear me?
I can't tell you no bye-bye. I will never tell you no bye-bye. We turn it back.
Yeah, we turn back. We are forward back. We are forward
Yeah,
back.
man.
Yeah, man. So thank you.
All right.
And it's a pleasure. You know what I mean? This is Kemar. This is a public report. You know what I mean? And this is just a start of
Don't
so
tell them
much.
bye-bye.
No, we're
Tell
not telling
them
bye-bye.
you turn your back and you soon
See
come back.
you soon.
Okay.
Yes, we are going to see you soon.
All the time.
Yes, we are going to see you soon. Hey, we said see you soon.
Yeah,
we are going to see you soon. Hey, just in a little while.
We are going to see you soon.
Yes, Lord. Bless myself. Thanks so much. All right?
Yeah, public report, yeah. Richard Brownfield, yeah. Shabby Wood Production, Paradise Nation, oh yeah. You don't understand my situation. You weren't there to hold my hand. You could say it's my revelation, or you could say what went wrong. No, this is not the only solution.